Glass transport racks are essential in glass manufacturing to safely move sheet glass through the production process. NSMC has been supplying transport and storage racks for the majority of float glass manufacturers since 1994. We custom fabricate A-frame and L-buck racks to your specifications and prints. A-frame racks are commonly used for transporting glass sheets between different stages of the manufacturing process. L-buck racks are often used for storing glass sheets in a vertical position, saving valuable space in the plant. Our reputation is built on quality workmanship, fabrication, and welding processes, resulting in durable racks. NSMC is also known for our customer service and project management, keeping you informed throughout the process. All of our racks are 100% manufactured in the USA since 1994. Contact NSMC today and tell us about your project requirements, and let us show you why so many OEMs choose our glass racks.